What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style OG. And on today's video, we got Volume 1, Outfit of the Day. If you're new to the channel, releasing a video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Leslie McCulloch, salute. Now today's video is actually the result of many requests I've gotten to kind of break down an outfit of the day, explain why I chose something and what circumstance I'm going to wear it in. So after all these requests, I thought I'd do a quick off-the-cuff video of this outfit of the day. What I'm going to do is give you my thought process of picking out the outfit, why I chose it, and why it fits the situation. And if you guys like this type of video, this will just be the first one. I'll do many more. That's one of the beautiful things about doing daily content. We can do what we want on this channel. So let me paint the scene for you. It's an unseasonably warm February midday in Philadelphia. It's around 50 to 60 degrees. And where I have to go to is a nice restaurant for a business/casual type situation. So it's not exactly a circumstance where you're gonna get suited and booted, but you wanna look nice. Now, because it's an unseasonably warm day, I had to go with kind of transitional outfit. So I grabbed a jacket for my navy double-breasted suit, double-breasted jacket, a little heavier to keep me warm, but not too hot. Now I don't have to put a coat on. Then of course, I matched it up with one of my favorite pair of trousers, my gray wool herringbone. Then for my footwear, of course, definitely matches the season, a nice pair of brown suede Chelsea boots. And for the shirt, all I did was take my light blue dress shirt, unbutton it. Then of course your final touch is your accessory, in this case, my brown aviator shades. So to sum it all up, because it was an unseasonably warm but still chilly day, I had to play with a transitional outfit with different textures. We got the suede of the shoes, the herringbone of the trousers, and a nice heavy wool double-breasted jacket. So I'm warm enough that I'm not gonna be cold, but not too hot because it's unseasonably warm. Okay, so there you have it, the first in the series of the outfit of the day. Let me know what you thought of the look and if you want me to continue this series. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. It helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.